Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the watch sits snugly just above the wrist bone so the sensor gets steady contact. That reduces noise and dropped readings. Once on your wrist, wake the screen, press the digital crown, and tap the heart app to begin. Make sure Bluetooth and wrist detection are enabled in settings so the watch can use its sensors and pair with health on your phone. This immediate setup gets you to the live heart rate view quickly and reliably. You now read the live BPM number. Hold still and wait about 15 to 30 seconds so the LED and photodiode stabilize and give an accurate value. Once the number steadies, tap the graph to view recent measurements and the walking average to understand trends versus a single point. If you want continuous tracking, start a workout. This forces higher sampling and records HR across activities. Make sure to keep your arm relaxed and avoid pressing the sensor, because motion and pressure distort optical readings. You finish by reviewing detailed history on the Health app on your iPhone, where daily, weekly, and resting averages are stored. This context explains whether a single high or low reading is meaningful. If you feel symptoms, use the irregular rhythm notifications or the ECG app if your model supports it, and consult a clinician with those records. If readings look off, clean the sensor, adjust the fit slightly tighter, and restart the watch. This common fix restores accurate measurements most of the time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.